welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see one more example in timer. So without any delay, let's move on to the topic. So when switch 2 is pressed, after 5 seconds, lamp 1 is on. So this is a sequence. Okay, first you have to press the switch 2. Once you press the switch 2, after 5 seconds, lamp 1 has to on. After 5 seconds of lamp 1 on, we have to turn on lamp 2. And after 5 seconds of lamp 2 on, we have to turn on lamp 3 and lamp 4. So when after the 5 seconds of lamp 3 and lamp 4 on, we have to turn off all the lamps. Okay, this is a sequence. One by one, it has to happen. So let's go to the CX programmer. Add a switch 1 first. Switch 1. Alright. So after 5 seconds, I have to turn on my lamp. I have to turn on one of the lamp. So what I have to do, so immediately for the first time itself, we'll turn on a timer here. And the seconds they have given is 5. So let's connect our input. So whenever you are turning on the input, your timer will get turned on. So when the timer is turning the output on after 5 seconds, will turn on the lamp 1. Lamp 1. Alright. So connect. So what will happen now? Whenever you are pressed this, timer will start counting down, and once it is reached, the 5 seconds, lamp 1 will be on. So in the meantime, what we have to do? When this timer is getting on, in the same time we have to turn on, the timer output is on, right? In the same time we have to turn on one more timer. So let's make use of the same contact and we'll give this as timer 1. Okay. So I'm going to turn on one more timer here. TIMX and TIM, and this timer is timer 1, and I'm giving the same 50. This is timer 2. So what this timer will do? It is going to turn on my next output. So I'll give T1, and what is my next output? Lamp 2. Alright. So connect. So what I have to do? In the meantime, we have to turn on one more timer. So turn on lamp 3 and 4. Connect. And take this contact, timer 3, and this is going to turn on 2 outputs. Lamp 4. And I have to edit this 100.03, which is my lamp 3. That's it. Connect. So whenever the third timer is on, both of my output will turn on. So in the meantime, we have to turn on one more timer. So let's turn on the timer, and I'm going to name the timer as 4, and after 5 seconds only it will be turning on. So I'm going to name this as timer 4. So what is the use of this timer? The last timer have to turn off all your outputs. So make use of a normally closed contact and put it over here. This is your P4. So lamp 1 will off. Lamp 2 will also off. And here both of your lamp 3 and lamp 4 both will get off. Okay, I'll put it separately for this. That's it. So let's compile. So we don't have any errors. Let's go to the simulation mode. Got it. So let's turn on a switch. So after 5 seconds only my lamp 1 will on. After 5 seconds lamp 2 will on. After 5 seconds lamp 3 and 4 parallelly will on. And lamp, timer 4 will turn off all the lamps. See, here I have done a mistake. What is that mistake? I have used normally closed contact of T2. So it should not be like this. This is T2, no? This have to be normally open contact. T2. That's it. And I have to delete this one. That's it. It have to be a normally open contact. So that when that on, then lamp 3 and lamp 4 will on. So let's turn on this. So immediately all my, the timer gets started, but lamp and all is in off condition. So after 5 seconds lamp 1 is on. Now lamp 2 is on. Now lamp 3 and lamp 4 will turn on. After 5 seconds all lamp will go off. See, lamp 4 off, 3 off, 2 off and 1 off. That's it. So now turn off your input. I'm going to repeat the same thing. It's turn on. So all our outputs are initially off condition. See, now lamp 1 on. Next lamp 2. After 5 seconds lamp 2 will on. Now after 5 seconds lamp 3 and 4 will on. After 5 seconds all our output will go off. That's it. So this is another example in timer. So I hope you have understood the concept. I'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.